Yeah. Welcome to Outdoor Madness, guys. Kerry Clark here. All right, what we're doing today is, about a month ago, you guys remember I was searching for water. We got a little bit of rain. Well, actually, we got a lot of rain, but it still wasn't enough to get everything flowing like it was. You know, I went up to Tanaha Falls. It was barely going. That was about a month ago. Since then, it's been raining like crazy, and now there's pretty much water everywhere around here. In fact, the poppies are already coming up. Today's what, March the 3rd, Karen?
Yeah.
Yeah, today's March the 3rd, and we've already got the super bloom going on. That hasn't happened since 2016. We did, when we did Stop and Smell the Wildflowers, that was 3 years ago, and there was a super bloom then. Well, we have a super bloom now, and it's been going on for probably about 2 weeks now. So what we're going to do is, right now, it's actually a mountain bike trail that we're on right now. And it's just right off the road, but there's a poppy field that I want to get to. It's not super big, but I like going to spots that are kind of secluded where there's not a lot of people. And just the hike going over here is really cool, as you can see down here. So that's where we're going to take you guys. And now's the time for you guys to get out, because I'm telling you, the super bloom doesn't last very long. So get your cameras ready and get out and enjoy it. Show you guys a little bit more of this this mountain bike trail. So it starts right up there. That's actually the highway that takes you to the Santa Rosa Plateau. And this is just, I mean, from the road, you can't really see this because it's down low, but we're actually on the trail. These are part of the jumps. And there's some jumps up here. There's a trail that comes down right there. And if you guys can see right over there, there's a turn. And they hit these jumps. They come this way. And then they come down. And as we get up here a little bit further, you'll see too, it's really cool what they did. There's a tree that's kind of like fallen over the trail. And they just added that in on their course. It's really cool. But you'll see it as we get up here. And this is cool. They put this ramp here, which looks like it's not in too good a shape right now. But you can tell that they hit this. And then they jump. It's almost like a double jump. They jump up this one and they land on top right there. Which is pretty cool. Somebody got really creative with this. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Now, I'm gonna come back out here later on when some of these guys are out here riding and film these guys doing this, because this is insane. So basically that's a tree right there that's over the trail. And you guys can see this. And they've just nailed these wooden strips. And so they hit this thing and they go right up it. And then they come around and they jump down. You see right here. Now how cool is that? In my younger days, I would do something like this. Now, you can forget it. There's no way. I wouldn't think twice about doing this when I was younger. Pretty neat though. That is so cool. Everything's green. Okay, so you guys will see the poppy field up here. Okay, there it is, right there. See if I can zoom in a little bit. So that's the poppy field we're going to hike to. That's the one you can see it from the road, but you know, unless you're living in Bear Creek, that's the only way you can really get to it. We don't live in Bear Creek, so we always find a way. Alright, so here's another crossing right here. This has got to be fun on a mountain bike, I'm telling you. Green, green, the color of green. I love it. I'm sure these guys hit this thing. It's like a little jump for them. Just follow my steps. Look at all the fungus right here.
Wow.
Man. Fungi, moss, nice and thick. See the ribbon right here?
Yeah.
All right, so we got to climb this hill right here. All right, we're going to go up this right here, so it's not hard.
Going up is easier for me than coming down.
Well, I tell you, when this dirt is wet, it's a lot easier. So as we come around this bend here, should be able to see. A little bit closer. Ah, there it is, right there. Wait till you see this, you guys. So pretty. All right, can you see all the poppies? So there they are, right there. That's where we're gonna go, right there. Snap a few shots, and then we're gonna go around this way here. And who knows what's around there? There's some flowers, but it might even get bigger. You know, the field might grow that way. All right. Pretty cool. And the poppies are right up here. Wow, you know what? These aren't poppies. These are not poppies, you guys. They're wildflowers, but they're not poppies. I don't know what you call these. And they're not fully open yet, I guess, because it's not that sunny right now. Yeah, these are, unless there's some poppies mixed in here, but they don't look like poppies to me. We'll have to look this up and see what kind of wildflower. They almost look like daisies or something. Yeah, they look like some kind of like a daisy, but they're pretty whatever they are.
Well, it's time to get back to the truck and head out to the mountains to see what else we can find. The Super Bloom 2019 continues right here on Outdoor Madness. Water brings life. A whole lot of life to Southern California. And that life brings us vibrant colors. Colors so vibrant, they literally take your breath away. From the desert to the sea and to all of Southern California, Super Bloom 2019 is on. And with more rain in the forecast, this could be the biggest super bloom to hit Southern California ever. So get outside and enjoy it, take in all the beauty while you can. Kerry Clark for Outdoor Madness. We will see you somewhere in the great outdoors.